Dear my wonderful friends, it's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Well, we're talking about a very little nasty gang from outer St. James, the OTF. All in the family gang. Now, it's kind of crazy because the OTF, from what I know, it's an American gang, and the American gang is run by a rapper named Little Dirk or Little Kirk. So I was kind of surprised and flabbergasted to see that the OTF gang is operating out of Montego Bay. Take a look at this, and this is from 2021 August. You see the top tier Granville gangsters. You understand, Chef was cut down. Now the reason why I'm showing this, the top tier gangster, the Sparta gang, and the OTF, all in the family, they're linking together. What I see is going on in Jamaica with a lot of these gangs. These gangs are evolving. These gang members, they're smarter than the average gang member. They're internet savvy, and they're doing a lot of scamming. So what they're doing, they're making allegiance. They're linking with other gangs, and they're using intelligence. And I want to emphasize, they are using intelligence. To me, in some cases, better than the police force. The reason why I say these gangs are working on intelligence. This killing right here of Mr. Chef, he was killed at a call center, and as soon as his car pulled up, another car got the info, some gangsters, and pull up and kill him execution style at the call center. Now, it seems like there is an all-out turf war going on in St. James from Granville to Red Pond with these gangsters. Now, I was even more taken back because, like I said, the Jamaica police, I can see where they're trying to really fight the gang thing, the J-Tag. J-Tag is the gang task force that was formed in 2022. But them dirty gangster, the man them come in like a really, really bad disease. And the police is having a hard time with them. That's because the people in these community, they're enabling these gangsters. I don't know why they're enabling them, if it's because of money they're getting from scamming, but the whole of St. James is filled with scamming. Now we're gonna fast forward into July of 2023. Remember now, the police had caught some of them in 2021, and even before that, the gang task force have been on their tail. Now, listen to this piece of news clip about the OTF gang. Listen to this.
The operation led to the seizure of 3 rifles, an AM-15 multi-caliber rifle, one Omni Hybrid multi-caliber AR-15 rifle, and one KMA-15 multi-caliber modified rifle. The police also seized 3 handguns, 1 Browning pistol, 1 Glock 19 pistol, and 1 Hellcat pistol, plus 465 rounds of ammunition. An assortment of Jamaican and United States currency, plus several electronic communication devices were also seized. 3 members of the OTF gang, 2 women and 1 man, all from Green Pond, were arrested. One of the women is a 48-year-old businesswoman, the other is a 22-year-old customer service representative, while the male is a 26-year-old businessman. The trio are suspected of involvement in the local trade in illegal weapons and ammunition. Their identities are being withheld pending further investigations. In a statement today, the Jamaica Defense Force, JDF, says the gang is a second-generation syndicate with headquarters in Red Dirt Retirement in St. James. It says the gang has strong influence in the Green Heights Mews area of the Green Pond community and is known to have strong transnational connection with multiple top-tier members residing overseas. According to the JDF, the OTF gang is also known for its strong involvement in contract killings and lottery scamming and has contributed to a number of murder and shooting incidents, most of these stemming from gang conflicts. It says the OTF gang is allies with 2 of the most notable gangs in the St. James Police Division, the Vietnam Sparta gang based in the Flanker community and the Big Yard gang based in Granville. The JDF says based on previous reports, these are clear indicators that the security forces are having an impact in the counter-illicit trafficking of weapons and ammunition that are being trafficked and confiscated through multiple controlled ports. Persons with information about gangs, gunmen, and guns are being encouraged to call 876-224-4483, Crime Stop at 311, the JDF tip line at 876-837-8888, or the National Intelligence Bureau at 811.
Now, you see, the police are work hard to get rid of them gang member, yeah. And me know me's a man, me look out and me talk about the Jamaican police force. But we have to be fair. The kind of violence and the level of violence that we're dealing with in such a small country, no wonder the police them react the way they react. And hopefully the police them can take down these gangs like how them take down the Black Man gang from outer Spanish Town. People need to step up and get rid of them dirty criminals here. You know, I might be I'm not gonna say I'm smart, because I don't think I'm smart, but I am a little bit naive, I guess, the way I was brought up, because I've always thought that scamming was violent-less. It wasn't a violent crime. We usually associate scamming with white-collar criminal activity. Even in Nigeria, where the man them scam, because Nigerians are the godfather of scamming, you do not have the level of violence like we have in Jamaica. So right away, it tells you that Jamaica have a unique problem. It's mentioned many times. Sir P mentioned this. You have poorer countries than Jamaica. You have other countries poorer scamming going on, and there is no killing. Jamaica, we totally have a killing culture, and you see that in every aspect of society. Now, with the scamming, like I said, I was naive, and it's mind-boggling the kind of money these guys are making And you know, it doesn't matter, the OTF gang, if the police them take them down, if the government them don't put the right things in place in these communities, cause what it's plain to see when you have a murder, like even the young lady and our brother, there is people in the community who knows what these scammers and the OTF gang and all these gang members doing, and they're not saying anything. The only time they step forward is when something happens to them or their family member. It's a really sad place to be. Now, we're coming up to the end of the year, and we're gonna hear all the lies these politicians gonna talk about crime. But you and I both know that crime is on the rise. The police and the OTF, them have to take down the OTF. I didn't realize the OTF gang, all in the family, which I had associated with a gang being in America. I am surprised they are in Jamaica. Like I said, Jamaica, for us to curb this gang thing, we're gonna have to go big and stay home. When I say go big, we have to come with sweeping changes. And like I said, El Salvador, we have to take a book out of their crime story and how they turn their country around. But for now, I'm telling you see all of them scammer boy, me personally, not like them. You understand? Like me say, at one point, I thought, okay, them a hustle, them a make some money, them a put back in the community. That's cool with me. Like I said, I'm not perfect. But when them start kill off people and do them kind of brazen killing and doing the killing that these guys are doing is killing that's in terrorist country like Iraq, Syria, in bad countries like Honduras, El Salvador, and they're bringing that to Jamaica. It really leaves a stain on us. I hope the police can get rid of this OTF gang, because from what I'm seeing, they have become a nuisance to the people of Jamaica and the people of St. James, Montego Bay. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.